So in this video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT and how you can use it to make a lot of money. And ChatGPT is actually a very useful AI tool where people are now using it to do homeworks and assignments. They're using it at work to increase their productivity, and they're also using it to make money online. Now, chances are if you're watching this video, then you are interested in making money online. And so in this video, I'm going to give you guys 3 very realistic and practical ways that you can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money on the internet right now. So the first way that you can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money is by creating what is known as a faceless YouTube channel. And so for example, you could go on YouTube and you could look for motivational videos, and you'd find all these motivational videos from faceless YouTube channels. Now, a faceless YouTube channel is basically the opposite of what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm talking to you guys, you're seeing my face and we're having like a conversation. However, with a faceless YouTube channel, you don't see the face of the person. All you see are these clips of videos, and they put these clips together and then someone is narrating the video. Now, as you can see here, the reason why faceless YouTube channels are such a big deal is because they get a ton of views depending on the niche. So for example, this video was posted only a day ago. It has 31,000 views. This video was posted a day ago as well. It has 16,000 views. And as you can see here, these videos are basically clips of other videos or clips merged together to create one video. And then someone is narrating the video. So basically, you could do this and you could do this yourself. Now, the challenges that you're going to run into is maybe you don't know what niche you want to create this channel in, or even if you know the niche that you want to create it in, maybe you don't know what to say. And even if you do know what to say, maybe you don't know how to say it so as to capture the audience and to keep them watching your videos. And this is where ChatGPT comes in and makes everything completely easy. So what you could do is you could go over to ChatGPT and you could tell it what you want it to do, right? So what we could do is we could ask ChatGPT to do this. And so we could say, ChatGPT, create a YouTube video script on a motivational topic, right? And so ChatGPT is going to give us this info. So here it's going to generate a response. And so now it's giving you everything you need. Now, not only is it giving you the info or, the text, the script, it's also giving you a title for your YouTube video. So in this case, the title of your YouTube video is going to be Unlock Your Potential, right? And so you got an opening shot, which is a person standing at the edge of a cliff looking out into the horizon. So basically what it's helping you to do here is actually telling you what clip you can grab and what you should be saying. So for example, here you'd get this clip and you'd voice over, and this is what you'd be saying. And then the second clip would be this, and then this is what you'd be saying. And the third clip would be this, and this is what you're saying, right? Now, this is good because if you're a YouTuber and you are trying to do this yourself, then it may take you hours or days or probably even weeks to create a script like this. However, with ChatGPT, now you can have it done in 30 seconds or less. And this means that you can create multiple scripts every single day, and you can post videos on your motivational YouTube channel every single day. And you can also do this in a different niche on YouTube if you so desire. Now, the second part of this is going to be getting these clips. Now, there are tools online that will allow you to do everything, but usually they cost some money, right? So for example, we have like InVideo, which basically it will give you clips. You can search on InVideo for clips on just about anything. You drag and drop the clips, and then you also add the voiceover, or you can actually upload the text and you can choose the different voice that you want to use to narrate your video. And basically it gives you a complete video that is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. However, this does cost some money because, for example, here, free, you can do it, but it comes with a watermark. So if you want it without the watermark for YouTube videos, then you have to pay $15 a month or $30 a month, depending on what you're going for. So what you could do is you could use a free tool like this. For example, this is Pexels, right? And so let's go back to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT wanted a person standing at the edge of a cliff, right? And so with Pexels, you can get this stuff, right? So you can search for cliff photos, but maybe you want a video. So you can go to videos, and now you have it someone here is standing on the edge of a cliff, right? Now, there are multiple videos here, so you can choose the one that you like the most for your Faceless YouTube channel. And basically, this is gonna be your first clip. So you're gonna download this. This is completely free, by the way. And if you want access to more videos on here, like premium videos, then you have to pay a subscription. But basically, there are hundreds or probably thousands, depending on what you're looking for, of videos here for free that you can take and you can download them and use them for your YouTube channel. So that is gonna be the first clip. So you get the first clip, and now you know what to say, right? So you can say, every one of us has the potential to achieve great things in life, and you can read that. Now, the problem with this is probably you don't know how to say this so as to engage with the audience or to get them to keep on watching the video. So the second step here is to actually copy this text right here, and you're gonna narrate it, right? Now, you can pay for a tool to do this, but if you want to do it the free way, you can use a free tool like this, for example. So this is Speechify, and you can pay for the premium version, but basically what you're doing here is you're going to go to Speechify and you're going to, so I had this text in there before, so let's go ahead and edit that. And I'm going to paste the text from ChatGPT, and now we can generate the audio, and basically this is what it's going to do, right? So here,
every one of us has the potential to achieve great things in life. But most of us never reach our full potential. We let fear, doubt, and negative self-talk hold us back.
So basically, this is what's going to happen there. And if you pay for the premium version, then you can choose different voices. But basically, that's how you get around that. So now you have the voiceover and you also have the clips. And so now you have a complete YouTube video, and you can search for all the different clips here, download them, put them in your favorite video editing software, or you could use something like this one right here, which costs $15 a month. And basically that's how you're gonna create your motivational YouTube videos, right? So this is really easy. I mean, if you were to go out here and do this stuff by yourself, it's gonna take you hours, if not days, to complete just one video. And so with ChatGPT, it makes the process a whole lot easier. And here you can create a video in probably just a few minutes, and you can get to uploading on your Faceless YouTube channel very quickly. So if you're trying to make some money online, definitely check out ChatGPT, because you can use this to create a Faceless YouTube channel and you could be making a ton of money here. Now guys, if this is the first time on the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money, bank accounts, credit cards, jobs, everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos, you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. It won't ever cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notification bell when you subscribe, because that's the only way that you'll get the updates of when I post new videos, which is almost every single day on this channel. If you ever want to talk to me one-on-one about this method or any of the methods in this video, or just about anything one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. Link is down below or here on the screen. But that said, let's jump right back into making money with ChatGPT. Now, the second method of making money with ChatGPT is by creating product descriptions, right? And so, by the way, guys, if you want me to make a full video on any one of these methods, just comment down below, let me know, and I'll go through like a full tutorial in depth of any one of these. But basically, product descriptions are, the descriptions of the products that you see on Amazon, eBay, and on just about any web marketplace, right? So for example, this person right here is charging $35. This person is charging $20. This person is charging $70. It says, I will write a powerful product description for your brand. If you click on this, it's actually going to show you that this particular person, she's a level 2 seller. She has over 109 5-star reviews. That means she has at least done 105 orders. She has one order in queue right now, and it starts at $35, right? Now, this is for the basic package. The standard is $155. The premium is $350. And so basically, more than likely, she didn't just sell the basic plans for all these 109 orders. She probably had a mix of basic, standard, and premium. But let's say she only sold the basic plan, right? 109 times, then that works out to be just right around $4,000 or a little bit less, right? So she made around $4,000 from creating product descriptions. Now, basically, this is what she says she'll do. She'll write descriptions for Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Shopify, custom website and stores. And this is what she's gonna do. She's gonna help you stand out by supplying you with 100% original copy for your brands and products. and this is the gig. Now you may be saying, Eann, I would love to do something like this, but I don't know how to do this stuff. And what you could do is you could use ChatGPT to do this stuff, right? So we could go to ChatGPT and we could say, ChatGPT, create a product description for what should we do, right? Our product description. And we can do this for, let's say, a handbag, right? I don't know what you're selling, but let's say the client wants you to create a product description for a handbag. So you could put that in ChatGPT and it's going to generate. So here it says the perfect handbag for every occasion. And ChatGPT is actually now going to give you a product description. Now, the great thing about ChatGPT is that you don't have to take the answers or take what's given to you for the first time. You can actually tell it to revise whatever it wrote or whatever result it gave you, right? So here we have this. And so we could say regenerate response because you want to hear something else, or you could ask ChatGPT to, make something different, right? So you could specify what you want it to do, but basically you can come here and you can get your product description and then you can hand it over to the client. Now, I will say that ChatGPT is not 100% good for this because it may give you plagiarized copy content. So what you want to do is you want to use something like Grammarly, which is a free tool or, free to try. And basically you can copy and paste the text that you want to use here. It'll check it for errors and also check it for plagiarism. And then it will also auto adjust it for you. So basically you don't actually give your client copied information from somewhere else. So that's the second way that you can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money this year. And that is by creating product descriptions on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or just about anywhere else, right? So that way you can make money and you can actually make a decent amount of money doing this. Now, finally, the last way that you can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money online is by creating ebooks. And when you think about ebooks, you're thinking about spending days, weeks, months, probably even years just creating the content for this ebook. And some people actually just hire freelancers to create the ebooks for them. But here's the thing, these freelancers are probably just using ChatGPT to create the ebook for you instead, which you could do yourself, and you can save yourself a lot of time and also a lot of money. Now, maybe you don't know what you want to write your ebook on. ChatGPT will also give you a title. So for example, let's go back to ChatGPT and let's, say ChatGPT create an ebook. And actually, let's go over to Amazon first, right? So Amazon, you can get a bunch of ebooks. And so I'm Jamaican, so I search for ebook on Jamaican recipes because let's say I just don't know how to cook Jamaican food properly. And here we have an ebook for $15, or well, this is for the paperback version. You can get it for $2.99, but this is the Jamaican cookbook, traditional Jamaican recipes made easy. And we can go down here and we can see what's in this ebook, and we can also look at the reviews, and people really like this ebook. Now, let's say you wanted to create a similar ebook, right? All you had to do was go to ChatGPT and you tell ChatGPT to create an ebook on Jamaican recipes, right? And so ChatGPT is now going to create this ebook. And here's the good thing. Not only is it creating the ebook, it's also going to be giving you a title and just about everything. So the title of your ebook is Authentic Jamaican Recipes, a Guide to Delicious Island Cuisine, right? So remember, I knew that I wanted to create a Jamaican cookbook, but I didn't know what the title was. I'd have to spend hours trying to figure out what I should name my book. But here, ChatGPT already gave me a name. It's giving me an introduction. It's also telling me the different types of food that I can prepare and what they are, right? So we got jerk chicken, we got ackee and saltfish, we have curry goat, we got rice and peas, we have the rum punch, and we have all this info, right? Now, ChatGPT isn't actually giving you like step-by-step instructions on how to do this. It's kind of like an overview of your ebook. So basically, what you could do now is to say, ChatGPT, tell me how to make the ackee and saltfish, right? Or tell me the ingredients for the ackee and saltfish dish. And basically, it would do that. It would tell you, and then you could put that in your ebook. So again, this is saving you a lot of time. You can create your ebook, and you can do it easily with ChatGPT. And then you can upload your ebook to eBay, or on Amazon rather, and then you can get it sold. And this is how you can make money. Now, if you want to create the artwork for your ebook, like the cover right here, then you can do this on a website like Canva, which is is free, and you can also pay for it if you don't like the free version. But basically, it will give you templates for ebooks, and it'll also give you photos. So you can actually come over here and create that. And basically, you'll have a 100% done ebook. So these are 3 really realistic, practical ways that you could use ChatGPT right now to make money, because you can use it to create a faceless YouTube channel. You can use it to create product descriptions. You can use it to create an ebook, and you can use it to do so much more. So if you're sitting at home right now, you don't have a job, you want something to do, you want to make some money online, be sure to sign up for ChatGPT and use it to your advantage, because it can help you with school, it can help you with your productivity at work, it can also help you to make a ton of money online. Now, comment down below, let me know if you've ever tried any of the methods here with ChatGPT to make money online, or comment and let me know which one of these you want me to create a full tutorial on, as I will do that for you guys. I'll upload that video here. But with that said, hopefully this info was able to help someone to make some money online. As always, all the best on making money on the internet, and I will see you guys very soon in the next one.